Hello students, welcome back to my channel Prosper Education. Today in this video I will explain you about properties of integer. The topic is from class 7th chapter number 1 integers. In this video I'll explain all the 4 properties of integers, that is closure property, commutative property, associative property and distributive property. ओके और ये सारी प्रॉपर्टीज हम चारों ऑपरेशन के लिए पढ़ेंगे फॉर ऑल द 4 ऑपरेशंस, दैट इज एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिविजन. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, you have already studied about these properties in class 6th, but at that time you have studied for the whole numbers. Now we are going to study for integers. Okay, in next year also you will study about these properties but for rational numbers. So this topic is really very important. Okay, so do watch the video till the end. Okay, so let's start with our first property, that is closure property. Okay, see, what do you mean by closure property? That means if you are taking any two integers, let's say a and b, then a star b, here star can be plus, minus, multiply and divide. That is a star b should also be an integer. Then only we can say that the property is true for that particular operation. Okay, that means कि अगर हम कोई भी 2 इंटीजर्स ले रहे हैं तो उनका एडिशन या सब्ट्रैक्शन या मल्टीप्लिकेशन और डिवीजन इंटीजर होना चाहिए, तभी हम कह सकते हैं कि वो क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी को सेटिस्फाई करता है उस पर्टिकुलर ऑपरेशन के लिए. यहाँ पे ऑपरेशन से मतलब है ये 4 मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशंस, दैट इज एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन. Okay, so let's try to understand better with the help of examples. See, here I have taken 2 integers, 2 and 4. The addition is 6, so this property is true for addition. Similarly, 2 minus 4 is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 is also an integer, so this property is true for subtraction as well. Then 2 4s are 8. 8 is also an integer, that means this property is true for multiplication. Next we have 2 divided by 4. Now 2 divided by 4 is equal to 0.5. That means this property is not true for division. Okay, so we can conclude that the closure property for integers is true only for addition, subtraction and multiplication. Okay, so let's move to the another property for today, that is commutative property. That is, if for any 2 integers a and b, if a star b is equal to b star a, then integers are said to satisfy commutative property under that particular operation. That means कि a plus b should be equal to b plus a. Similarly, a minus b should be equal to b minus a. A multiplied by b should be equal to b multiplied by a. And a divided by b should be equal to b divided by a. Then only we can say the integers satisfy commutative property under that particular operation. Okay. Students, here again I have taken the examples 2 and 4. Okay, so you can see 2 plus 4 or 4 plus 2, the answer will be the same, that is 6. So we can say that the order doesn't matter while adding 2 integers. Next we have for subtraction. For subtraction the order matters. 2 minus 4 will be minus 2, while 4 minus 2 will be 2. That is, the property is not true for subtraction. Next, multiplication. For multiplication also the property holds true. as the order does not matter while multiplying any two integer. 2 4s or 4 2s, the answer will be 8. But the case is not the same for division. 2 divided by 4 is 0.5, while 4 divided by 2 is 2. That means the commutative property is true only for addition and multiplication. Clear? Next property we have is associative property. See, commutative was for two integers. The associative is the same way but for three integers. Okay, that means if you have three integers a, b and c, and if you are applying any operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, we need to check whether the order matters or not. Let's try to understand better with the help of example. Here I have taken the example 2, 4 and 8. See, 2 plus 4 is 6 and then 8 will become 14. Now I have added last two integers first and then the first one, that is 2 plus 4 plus 8. 4 plus 8 will be 12. So 2 plus 12 is 14. So we can say the associative property is true for addition. हमने पहले दो इंटीजर्स को ऐड किया, फिर थर्ड इंटीजर को ऐड किया, और सेकेंड केस में सेकेंड इंटीजर और थर्ड इंटीजर को पहले ऐड किया और फिर फर्स्ट इंटीजर को ऐड किया, तो भी हमारा आंसर सेम ही आ रहा है. बट सब्ट्रैक्शन के लिए ये प्रॉपर्टी ट्रू नहीं है. Here I have taken the example 2, 4 and 8. Now 2 minus 4 will be minus 2. Minus 8. So minus 2 minus 8 is minus 10. While 2 minus 4 minus 8. So 2 minus 4 minus 8 will be minus 4. यहाँ पे minus minus हो जाएगा plus. That is 2 plus 4 is 6. So this property is not true for subtraction. Clear? The property is true for multiplication as well. तीन इंटीजर्स को कैसे भी मल्टीप्लाई करो, किसी भी ऑर्डर में मल्टीप्लाई करो, द आंसर विल बी द सेम. 2 4s and then multiply by 8, 64, और 4 8s is 32 and then with 2, so 64. Same way, the property is not true for division as well. That means the property is true only for addition and multiplication. Clear? The last property for today is distributive property. According to this property, if you are taking any three integers, let's say a, b and c, then a multiply in brackets b plus c is equal to a multiplied by b plus a multiplied by c. Okay, that means हम पहले b plus c को प्लस करें और फिर a के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करें, या फिर a और b को मल्टीप्लाई कर दें, a और c को मल्टीप्लाई कर दें और फिर उनको प्लस करें, तो भी आंसर सेम ही आएगा. The same way we have this property for subtraction, that is a into in brackets b minus c is equal to a into b in brackets minus in brackets a into c. Let's try to understand better with the help of an example. That is, see, in the first example I have taken 2, 4, 6, 3 integers. Now 2 multiply by 4 plus 6. अब इनको पहले प्लस कर दिया आया 10, then 2 10s is 20. Now in this case 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12. So 8 plus 12 is again 20. Okay, so we can see this property is true for addition. Now for subtraction, 2 into 4 minus 6. Now 4 minus 6 is minus 2. So 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. Similarly here, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12. So 8 minus 12 is minus 4. Okay, so that was all for today. I really hoped that you have liked this video, you have understood whatever I have taught you today. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.